morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Thirsty Thursday. Yeah, we'll go with that. Last night, we had a bit of fun. Super simple for things going on in this kitchen yesterday. We did taco salad. I didn't post much because there wasn't much for me to do. Did the taco meat many days ago. I had the salsa, which I prepared, last week. So everything else was in bags. I never touched a chef's knife yesterday. Scissors were my weapon of choice. So we had fun. And man, those were really, really good salads. We're very happy we did that. Today is a little different. I'm going with, a bacon and mushroom pasta. As you know, Robin loves bacon. I like bacon too. And it's an opportunity for me to use some wonderful mushrooms from my friend Corey up in Auburn. Yes, so let's get to it. Dueling Dutch ovens. Yeah. Half-pound bacon, thick sliced. Beautiful shiitake mushrooms from Corey, again. I'm going with Salatatani noodles, pasta. It was on sale. About a half an onion, which I will do a half slice on. Heavy cream, chicken stock, a little bit of white wine vinegar, of course, some garlic, some green onions, which will be hopefully a fine dice, some kosher salt, black pepper, just a pinch or two of red pepper chili flakes, and some grated Parmesan for dusting at the end. Simple meal, not a lot of prep. Again, not a lot of therapy, as I like to call it. But again, I'm working with some great ingredients. As you see, I buy my bacon basically, bulk, not in a sealed package. I've kind of developed a relationship with Mike, who's one of the butchers at Bel Air. He takes care of me. Get to know your people in your grocery stores, especially in the specialty areas. I have Vinny and I have Mike and I have a couple of friends. I've developed friendships with people that are the checkout people. Yeah, and my pharmacy. Yeah, they love the cookbook. Do you have your copy yet? Yeah, get on it. Remember, all the profits are going to Project Semicolon. All right, on this Thirsty Thursday, we're having bacon. Yeah. Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, have fun cooking.